Hi guys, hi my beautiful people. How you all are doing? If today is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you not miss any of my video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you or I'll be carrying you along or I'll be showing you how to make okra soup, okay? Black okra. This is black okra. In kogi here, what we normally do, this is what we use. We sun dry it. After we sun dry it, you can see me mashing it together. By this time it's already dry, and what I'm going to do now is either after you do it this way, you blend it or you grinded it with grinding stone, or you pound it, or you blend it, whichever way you want to do it, it is good, okay? After everything, you get the smooth paste of the powder. Okay guys, so all I want you to do right now is to stay tuned, grab your peanuts and enjoy this okra soup with me, black okra soup. Okay guys, this okra goes with amala, it goes with semo, it goes with akpu, all those things and all of that. Okay, you can see me pounding it now so that I can get the powder paste. Okay, after everything, you see the process and all of that. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Bye. So guys, these are all the recipe that you need. That is the ingredients. On this one, you don't need tomato, you don't need onions, okay? What you need, this is the, oh my god, this is local mangi. This is locust beans. This is okbe and ugba. Yes, that is how we call it here. Okbe and ugba in my tribe. We call it local beans or local mangi. Some people call it. And I'm using mangi star. I'm using four, depends on the quantity you are making of the soup. Okay, so I'm using four, and salt to taste. I'm not going to use all the salt. And you need your blended pepper, and you need your fish, dry fish. Okay, I'm going to wash it with hot water. Okay, so that is all the recipe you need. You don't need tomato inside, you don't need onions. That is the recipe you need, okay? So that it will look natural and your black soup will come out so pumping and yummy and inviting. Okay, so let's get right into the preparation. Yeah. So guys, I added more water to it so that the fish will cook very well. So that I'll cook the fish very well. It will steam very well. So that's why I added enough water. Okay. So you see the process, okay? So let's cover it and let it steam or let it boil. Anyhow. So guys, this is my fish. I wash it off camera. Okay. This is my fish and I'm going to turn it inside now. Okay. So guys, we'll leave it to So this is the final test. So guys, it's ready. Okay, it's ready now. Look at it. Look at it. So we're going to remove it now. Okay guys, after the water that you add all the ingredients is ready, so all you need to do is to fetch a little out of that water, the water soup or the soup water that you make. Then you turn on your black okra, the one you pounded earlier. Then after that, you add it with your favorite swallow and you are good to go.